Hi everyone, Joe Bliss, Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. Anyway, do a little video on a kit bash locomotive I did here. I made this some time ago, but it still runs. Harrison at SMT mainline trains in Canada, if you're watching this, you just did a repair video not long ago on one of these locomotives. And yeah, it's a Chatanooga Choo Choo kit bashed into a C&O C-16 080 switcher. I shaved off a lot of the molded on details, including the power reverse, air tanks, you name it, and added brass parts and piping to this. Got a lot of cal scale carry detail parts on it. It's got a Northwest Short Lines gearbox and a small can motor in the locomotive. And the tender I used came from a AHM Riverossi 080. That's a Clear Vision tender they made. And a lot of the switchers had those. Even 280s sometimes had them in switching duty. The C-16, I forget how many C&O had, but this was a pretty close resemblance to that switcher. Center-mounted headlight. I used the stock pilot, just cut it back a little bit. Anyway, all the detail parts are from either CalScale, Carry, or Chemtron that I had. Piping's all brass wire. What else? Scratch built the little box for the throttle, front end throttle behind the stack, and then of course it's got the CalScale front end throttle linkage on it. CalScale low water alarm up there, injector down below the cab, and it's got brake shoes on it. Let me just run it forward. This won't pull a heck of a lot of cars, but it does a fairly good job. Oops, what did I do? Lose the address out of here. No, it should be in there. Ran backwards. Why didn't it? Something always messes up on these things when you're trying to do a video. Backup light works, of course. Footboards on the back of the tender. Right there. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cars on it right now. It'll pull more than that. I need to lube the gearbox a little bit. It sounds like it's getting dry, but these make a nice 080 switcher USRA, or a little detailing. You can make them specific to a certain prototype. Anyway, that's it for now. And also I scratch built seats and put the crew figures in the cab, as well as the tender's got all the wire handrails on it. That's all for now, folks. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.